Imagine walking into a grocery store for one carton of milk and walking out with $87 worth of things you never planned to buy. You didn't lose self-control. You didn't suddenly become irresponsible. In fact, before you even picked up your shopping basket, thousands of carefully tested psychological decisions had already been made for you. Every shelf, every price tag, every smell, every color, every song was designed to influence one thing: how much money you spend. Companies spend billions of dollars every year studying human psychology, not to make better products, but to make buying feel effortless. The scary part: most of these tricks are completely invisible. Today, we're going behind the scenes of modern retail, online shopping, and digital payments to uncover the psychology that's quietly emptying your wallet. Welcome to VaultVerse. Shopping wasn't always this way. Imagine walking into a grocery store in 1950. Small baskets, limited products, simple shelves, fast shopping. Today, supermarkets are designed like casinos. They're carefully engineered environments. Researchers measure walking speed, eye movement, music tempo, shelf placement, lighting, smell, color psychology. Nothing is accidental. Every square foot has one purpose: increase your spending. The shopping cart trick. One of the biggest breakthroughs wasn't a product. It was the shopping cart. When larger carts were introduced, customers subconsciously believed they hadn't bought enough. Stores gradually increased cart sizes over the decades. Bigger carts, more empty space, more purchases. Your brain doesn't judge by dollars. It judges by visual fullness. Why milk is always in the back. Have you noticed? Milk, eggs, bread, almost always at the back. That's intentional. Stores know these are essential purchases. To reach them, you must walk through dozens of aisles filled with impulse products. Every extra step increases the chance of an unplanned purchase. The $9.99 illusion. Why isn't everything $10? Because your brain doesn't read prices logically. It reads the first number first. $9.99 feels much closer to $9 than $10, even though it's only a 1-cent difference. This is called left-digit bias, and it has been demonstrated repeatedly in consumer psychology research. Eye level is buy level. Ever wonder why the expensive cereal is exactly where you look? Manufacturers actually pay for premium shelf placement. Products at eye level sell dramatically more than those on lower or higher shelves. Children's cereals, placed exactly at children's eye level. Bright colors, cartoon characters, sugar, everything carefully positioned. The bakery smell. Many supermarkets bake bread all day. Not because they need fresh bread every hour. Because the smell triggers hunger. Hungry shoppers spend significantly more than shoppers who aren't hungry. The scent isn't just pleasant. It's marketing. The music trick. Slow music. Slow walking. Longer shopping trips. More purchases. Luxury stores often use calm, slow music because customers browse longer. Fast food restaurants often do the opposite. They want tables available quickly. Even music changes your spending behavior. Credit cards don't feel like money. Cash hurts. Cards don't. Tap your phone. Done. No counting. No physical loss. The pain of paying has been reduced. That's why digital payments often encourage higher spending than cash. Buy now, pay later. $40 today. Sounds harmless until you realize you've agreed to 12 monthly payments. Companies know your brain evaluates monthly costs, not total costs. The smaller the payment appears, the easier it is to say yes. Subscription economy, streaming, cloud storage, music, fitness apps, AI tools, premium memberships. None feel expensive. Together, they quietly become one of the biggest monthly expenses. Small recurring payments are easy to ignore because they rarely demand your attention all at once. Amazon's secret weapon. One-click checkout. Free shipping thresholds. Recommended products. Frequently bought together. Only 3 left. These aren't random features. They're carefully designed to reduce hesitation and increase the likelihood that you'll complete a purchase. Social media knows you better than you think. Every pause, every click, every like, every second you spend looking at something. Algorithms learn. Soon, advertisements begin appearing for products you were already thinking about. The goal isn't just to show you products. It's to show them at the exact moment you're most likely to buy. How to beat the system. The good news. Understanding these techniques weakens their power. Before making a purchase, wait 24 hours. Ask yourself if you'd still buy it with cash. Remove saved payment methods. Turn off promotional notifications. Keep a written shopping list. Review subscriptions every few months. Automate savings before discretionary spending. The companies won't stop optimizing for your attention or your wallet. But awareness gives you something they can't control. A pause between impulse and action. And sometimes, that single pause is worth far more than any discount. The companies aren't evil. They're simply very good at understanding human psychology. The real question isn't whether they're influencing your spending. It's whether you notice it. If this changed the way you'll look at your next shopping trip, subscribe to VaultVerse for more calm, thoughtful documentaries on money, psychology, and the hidden systems shaping everyday life.